So they're gonna drop us right on the flag, which is risky, but we're gonna try to capture it really fast.
How is there?
If you're on a 240, just shoot at all the buildings until we land. .240 those buildings right now if you guys got an angle. Alright, eject.
Fuck, why am I hurt?
Up too soon.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Get fucked.
Good shit, boys.
Run.
I wanna blow something up.
They really want that.
Yeah, we got contact northeast.
Get on the roof.
Hey, squad A, when we capture this, can you pick us up on the roof? Hey, enemy smoke northeast, fucking.
Alright, I got you. Alright, heal you.
I'm down.
There's a guy, 46. He's about to run into Musty Pleb.
Buddy, stay safe.
We got
Oh, watch out, they're flying.
Hey, frag out.
Sneaky.
What are they
Are
wearing?
you guys still alive over that hill,
Looks
or
like-
they kill you off?
Yeah, it's like tan.
Get ready to
Oh,
stick
yeah. They're wearing retarded shit.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Hey, if you're down below, make your way to the roof.
Thank
Once
you.
we cap this, we're taking heli out of here.
Hey, I'm pulling EDN up.
Contact soldier, please. There's a whole squad out there, like 300 meters from the trees. The entire squad north of the objective.
I'll come grab you, bro.
Anyways, stay up here.
Hey, there's a guy at 342 behind a tree in the field. Lock him down.
Are they even paying attention?
Roger, give me a moment to get my squad together. Hey, make your way to the roof right now if you're not on the roof. We're about to get in the heli.
I'll heal you in a second. Let me get him up. Let me get him up.
Go ahead and send the heli in. Take your fire still. Alright boys, heli's inbound. Get ready to hop in that thing fast. Just suppress that tree line so we're out of here. I don't care if you don't see anybody, just light that tree line up. Get northwest, northwest. Hey, Rosewater's down.
Don't Throwing smokes at him.
Yeah, I'm coming, Rosewater.
Got me.
Fuck this helicopter.
We need that helicopter.
Hey, we really use that ride.
I just caught 2 of them coming up the stairs, you guys.
They're on that hill.
I'm coming up the stairs right now. Come to me.
Pushing these fucking stairs. God. Oh, fuck.
What did I say about not shooting?
I thought he came up already. I got you.
I can heal him if you want.
Sure, go ahead.
Where's the heli?
Yeah, I'm coming.
I hear it right above us. Don't even bother medic me. Just pick me up and I'll get in that helicopter and heal later.
Yeah, just get these guys up and heal later if we can.
Guys saying, sure, yeah.
Hey, I don't know we got this roof. Trying to get him to come to the fucking house roof
Like, medic.
Yep, yep.
We should just get down and like behind this.
If we can make it down, let's do one at a time.
Oh,
There's a guy fucking. There's a guy southwest. I don't think I got him.
Yeah, I don't think we can get down.
Yeah. Hey, we cannot get off this roof. We need a heli to pick us up off this roof at the first point. I keep asking him to land on the roof, and he keeps landing everywhere but the fucking roof.
Thank you, dog.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull this guy off the ledge here.
can you ask somebody if they're a rifleman if they can give me fucking some
Up the
ammo?
stairs, coming up the stairs.
Alright.
Friendly coming up.
It's north.
Thank you.
I'm out of bandages. If anybody has it. Ammo for me.
We have a rifleman back
Thank you.
there.
Yeah, I dropped it.
When we get on the heli, everybody rearm on it.
Thank you.
That's a frag grenade. Frag grenade on the roof, Spread out.
Jeez.
They want
Alright.
that staircase.
Yeah, watch for someone pushing up the stairs.
Oh.
Oh, they're on the roof
Yep.
behind us.
There's a guy on the stairs. There's a guy on the stairs shooting at me. Nobody get him yet.
Yeah, I'm down.
Did someone get him? Whew.
A6, just wave off right now.
I just realized right around here there's a bunch of troops.
Just respawn at the I-17 hab.
Nah, just hold it.
Yo, let's just do the same thing we did at the first point. Just fucking land right on top of it, man. Big dick energy.
That's what we've been doing at every single point right now. It's fucking simple.
Yeah, big dick energy, boys. Big dick energy.
Hey, I'm bleeding out.
Flip this big dick energy. Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
fuck.
Oh, shit. Well, we gotta drink more Hennessy, and we gotta have a bigger dick, and have more energy.
Hey, I'm
Oh, we're good.
medic
We have
right
enough
now,
Hennessy.
land, about to bleed out.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Oh, maybe I spoke too soon.
Go, get out. Fuck, is your squad leader alive?
Fuck out. Get the fuck out.
Someone, get two up.
Get the fuck
Get your
out.
squad
Get this guy
leader up. Get your
Get the
squad leader up.
fucking
Get your
guy
squad
up.
leader up so you can place down. Fuck this, I'm placed down.
Oh my god.
Get him up. Get him up. Get him
Here.
up.
Oh, you're
Help me
healing this
alone,
guy.
help me alone at least. Come on, what are
You're
you
healing
fuckers?
yourself.
How do we hit down from here?
Oh shit!
Don't.
You can stop that drop.
Alright, I got you. Are you getting yourself?
Alright, dust off.
Hey, drop it down. Fucking place it.
The fuck do we place? I don't know what's place right now. Guess he's shit. Yeah, I saw that, thank you.
Thank God for messaging that guy.
don't think. Down.
Jump off the left side. Use.
I got down right there. There you go.
Fuck, is there really not? Oh, I think you can hop off the south end.
Yo, squad 2, you want to build something so I can fucking play something down for you? Or okay, yeah, no, play something
Yeah.
down. We can't even get off of here. What the fuck? Where did we get off of here, bro? We're sort of fucked.
Let's see if
One
this
person to
works.
survive, and then they can res a medic.
Made it. Get on the cliff. If you're on the roof, I don't know if you can see that helmet mark. Just go on the cliff south.
Still there, but he's right. He's behind.
Just do a grenade up there.
They have a ZU-23 inside.
God, he got me. Let's try to push along the northeast along the water. They're going there. Jesus!
Yeah, there's guys.
Just got up by that GL. Fucking
Oh, fuck.
grenade launcher, hang on. I would've gone in that corner.
Yeah, I don't know where I died from, but
Risk the bullets? Hell yeah, let's do it. Sir.
yeah, I'm down. Up by us, 2 trucks, I think.
I need an ammo resupply at the fob on point.
Yeah, I only have 1 more bandage too, so I can get you if you can get me. Yeah, I only have 1, so yeah, just get him. I got it.
Fuck. Fuck, I gotta reload! Ah! There's a hammer right there being built.
I'm not, thank you. Our fob is
Down.
Our fob is going down, boys.
Hey, there's an MG south somewhere on the dock.
Uh-huh.
On that pipe and wall, there's a couple enemies.
Be advised, objective is being secured.
Alright, we need to find an LZ for the CLO.
What
Yo,
the
it's
fuck?
Squad 9, you're killing our fucking squad. If you're on the guns, shoot everywhere when we get there. As this is gonna be real spicy, boys. Prepare to shoot, pop smoke, all that shit. Shoot everywhere. Shit.
Go, 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 go.
Fuck, I'm down.
Reload. Oh shit, we might not make that one.
50 cal somewhere. Oh, fuck.
I'm dead.
Being shot from the west.
Behind the barrel, 242, hay barrel, haystack. Oh, they're pushing us, boys.
Yeah, we're about to go down on the hot drop.
This is full-on
We're gonna put it
terrorism.
southwest.
You might be the only one alive right now.
We're in the middle of open field taking a lot of contact.
There's some blueberries underneath.
Alright, when we land, let's try to stick together.
Here we
and
go,
push the
boys.
point. Oh, fuck! Already down.
Thank you. Yep. Trying to get you. Just stop all away from me. Come here.
Roughly like double that distance, near where that infantry icon is, fucking directly east of my Charlie observer.
Yeah, I just want some infantry out there. Yeah, I need a 240 on me.
While you shoot.
I need a 249 on me.
Copy.
I don't know if I can rub that one out.
I got something you can drop out.
Hey, guys, M249, look to your southeast, 138 in the barn.
Yep, I saw him.
238 in the barn, there's a bunch of guys in there.
How you doing up, man?
Yeah, we're at the top of the barn.
Yeah, right over the barn. There's a guy on the second floor. Hey, if you hit that striker, just shoot that red barn in the southeast.
Oh.
I'm reloading.
Just hold this line we're at. We don't need to push it out. Nice. I'm down. Let's move to that building to our south. Get on the south-facing side, away from the rocket barrage.
EDN, revive me. EDN.
Copy.
If it's not in the cap, let me know.
Will do. Cap, we're good.
Yeah, somebody let me in one of these windows.
Sure, man. Hey, there's infantry to your northeast in the woods. Northeast in the wood line, running right to the road.
Careful crossing this field.
There's a bunch of infantry that way, careful.
Now behind you. Like we've got it.
344.
Throws water.
Anti-tank.
He's dead. Also, east across the road. Yep, looking.
Detonate out.
Yeah,
Throw that smoke. Nobody needs to see what's Oh, fuck, that's a rocket.
Vehicles on Bravo observed.
Christ, I gotta reload. There's guys around the blown up MRAP. We need to find the radio on this one.
Tab on me. The habs on me.
They're laying down. Check your corner. Oh my god.
Oh yeah! Good job, guys. Good job.